Hey beauties, thanks for tuning in to CYBTV. This is your girl Cherish, and I have a tutorial that I want to do for you guys. So pretty much I am going to show you how to do a slick back side swoop ponytail. So I really love that style. I mean, I used to wear that style so much. Like, it's pretty much the only style I used to wear back in the day, but I haven't done it in a while because my hair has been natural, and I do feel like it's a little bit more work to, you know, manipulate my hair to do that and to lay flat and to look shiny and everything, because, you know, it's a little different when you have heat damage hair versus natural hair. But I want to go ahead and show you guys how I slick down my hair and get it to lay right. And yeah, so keep on watching if you guys want to see me do all of this. Okay, so I just want to show you guys to start with how I have my hair right now, because this has a big part in how I'm going to get this style. So this is what I'm starting out with. I put my hair in these 6 braids when I want to stretch out my hair, because instead of putting like heat on my hair and straightening it just to put it up in a ponytail, I like to stretch it out if I'm not ready to, you know, do the flat ironing. So I'm gonna take them out. And also, this is a good way to do a braid out, like, it really is. But my hair is not that, I don't think it's fully dry right now, but it's okay because I'm gonna end up wetting it anyways. This just really helps it to, you know, stretch out a bit. So this is how it will look after taking it out. It's actually a really good way to do a braid out, especially if you have like fine hair. Fine thin hair like myself. Okay, actually I'm gonna start off with this section. So I'm gonna part my hair on the side. I really like to wear my hair on this side when I wear the side swoop. And I don't do like a diagonal part. I just do a straight part like this. A little more over to this side. And then what I do is part it across the crown like this. It makes it easier to know like exactly what you're gonna swoop. And this is what I'm going to be swooping. And as you guys can see, hopefully you guys can tell how those braids stretched out my hair. It's just so much easier to maneuver and to, you know, manipulate my hair. I'm trying to get this part right. I'm using a big comb because this is what I use to detangle my hair in. And figured I can part with it too, but I don't know, it's acting up. Oh my gosh. I'm a little perfectionist when it comes to certain things. But anyway, so I did my part. So there we go. We got that together. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and take out these other braids. Okay, so I've went on and taken out all of these braids. They're all out. So my hair is pretty detangled. Let's go ahead and comb it out. Since my hair was not fully dried, it's like trying to poof up real quick. But this is where I go in with the conditioner. So I'm using the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Tensely Smooth Leave-In Conditioner Cream. And I'm gonna put this on my hair so we can start swooping. Conditioner I used to use all the time. I don't even know where to get it, but it's called Parnavoo, and I absolutely love that conditioner. I use that conditioner like all the time, especially when I did my swoops. Now all I'm doing is taking my brush and I'm just brushing my hair down. And if you notice, I've left that part alone so far. So I'm gonna use this elastic band. This is a really good one. I get these from, I believe, Target, and these are the Goody Athletic elastic bands. They have no clasp. They don't have any burnt, you know, burntness or whatever you want to call it, like to keep it together. It's literally like one elastic band. So I'm just gonna put my hair up. And just like a faux ponytail. I'm not making it tight or anything. Then we're gonna work on this side. Take some more leave-in conditioner. Saturate this section. And now we're gonna bring my friend. This is the Ampro Pro style. Yes, a lot of people don't like this, but this is the only gel that works with my hair. Like, seriously, it doesn't flake on me. It holds my hair. So I'm just gonna put a lot on this section. I'll put some right here in the back. Okay. And take my Denman brush, because we want this part really flat. And then I'm gonna smooth it. Take my 4 bristle brush. I'm just gonna sleek. Just keep brushing it. Until I get it as slick as I like it. And then I like to lay this part an even transition. Okay, now once I get that laid good enough, I'm gonna take out this scrunchie. Then I'm gonna add this to it. Then I'm gonna continue on brushing everything together. And if you get cracks, see, if I get cracks, I'll show you how I fix that. So I'm just gonna put it up now. And I love these elastic bands because you can tighten it as tight as you want and it doesn't break. They do not break. They don't tear, they don't rip, they don't break. I mean, they're the best scrunchies. I recommend everybody to get these. So I'm going to just put my hair up like this in a poof ball for now. Then we're going to go ahead and fine tune. I'm going to take some more of my gel on my toothbrush. Fine tune some baby hair. Use the corner of the brush to get that straight line. Like so. Okay, and with this part, this is optional. I'm gonna just comb it out a little bit. Then twist it up into a little ball. So I just put it in a little ball, nothing, you know. And the smaller the ball is, the better the ponytail piece is gonna look. So here is the ponytail piece. This is made by me. It's custom made. So it is the wraparound ponytail piece. And I actually did a video on this. So if you guys want to see how I made this and how you can make you one at home, then I highly suggest that you go to the description box and click on the link in the description box for this DIY video. But this is really easy to apply. Instead of like using, you know, just regular hair and try to wrap it around in your ponytail and do all that. Once you make this, it's so much easier. See, it comes with a comb. Well, it doesn't come with the comb. I put the comb on so you can see how you can make it yourself on my video that I posted. But it's a comb attachment right here. So this sticks into your ponytail and then this wraps around. So I'm going to show you guys how I apply this. You're going to take the comb and then I'm just putting it on top of that ponytail. So it's behind the scrunchie. That way it won't like just come off easy. And you take the wraparound piece and then I start wrapping it around. Just wrapping this hair around until I can't wrap it no more. And it should look like this. But yeah, I absolutely love this style. I love this look. I mean, like I said in the beginning, this was my go-to. Like in college days, you know, back in the day, I used to wear this style out, and you know, it really worked with my hair. But I mean, it takes a little more work now, but I still love it. And I love how this ponytail piece came out as well. But yeah, you guys, this is it. This is the finished style. If you like this look and you like how everything turned out, then go ahead and press the thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already became part of Team CYB, and also hit that bell so you can be notified for the next videos that I will be bringing to you. So keep on staying tuned, I guess, to CYB TV.